Hi, I'm Julie Elliott. I'm a rangeland management specialist with the Natural Resources Conservation Service and a liaison to the Northern Plains Climate Hub. Today I want to visit with you about GrassCast and how it can help you anticipate drought on rangelands. GrassCast is made possible through collaboration of USDA, several universities, and the National Drought Mitigation Center. Grass growth is a complex process, hinged on getting the right amount of moisture at the right time. But weather forecasting is unreliable at best, so we don't know how much moisture we're going to get until the end of the growing season. And so we're left wondering. Therefore, GrassCast was created to help see what grass production might be lying ahead in the coming growing season. GrassCast takes soils information, the plant communities growing there, and the past weather information, and combines it all together to create a current soil water profile. It then adds in future possible temperature and precipitation scenarios to create a total production prediction. Forecasts, as we said, aren't always correct, so we're going to use 3 different precipitation scenarios. What if rainfall between now and August is above normal? How much production might we expect? What if it's near normal, whatever that is? How much production might we expect then? And what if the spigot shuts off and we get below normal precipitation? How much production could we expect then? And presto, we have GrassCast maps. Now there's a lot of colors here. Don't panic or shut down on me. I'll take them apart for you here in a moment. For now, let's suffice it to say, the colors are telling us based on the observed weather to date, plus future weather scenarios, we expect grassland productivity in your area to be some percent higher or lower than your area's 38-year average. Now, some of you will notice that you don't have any nice colors over your area. There could be a couple reasons for that. One, we may not have the long-term production data we need. The other might be that we have that data, but the statistical relationship between precipitation, plant water use, and the resulting plant growth are too poor to make production forecasts with any reliability. We do have maps for New Mexico and Arizona. I'll get to those in just a moment. For now, let's take those colors apart and take a look at them in more detail. We're going to go to Billings County, North Dakota. On the left-hand side is the above normal precipitation scenario, in the middle near normal, on the right-hand side below normal precipitation. We can see on the left-hand side inside that box, it's a turquoise color. And if we look at the legend, it tells us if precipitation is above normal, we expect a 5 to 15% more pounds per acre than the area's 38-year average. In the near normal precipitation scenario, however, it turns orange. Orange correlates to a 15 to 30% less pounds per acre than the area's long-term average. And on the right-hand side, that box turns red. Red's never good when we're talking about drought. If precipitation's below normal, we expect 30% less pounds per acre or worse. This is on a pretty broad scale. Can we get a more precise estimate? And as a matter of fact, we can. In GrassCast, you go to the zoomable tabs, you can zoom into 6 mile by 6 mile grids. Click on the grid and you get a pop-up box again with the production prediction. Left-hand side, above normal precipitation, we're expecting an 8% more production than the area's 38-year average. In the middle, near normal precipitation, we're expecting 17% less production than the long-term average. And on the right-hand side, spigot shuts off, we're expecting 40% less production than the area's 38-year average. Arizona and New Mexico, you're unique. You have 2 separate green-up events, one in the spring, driven by winter and spring precipitation, and one in the summer, driven by summer precipitation. You still get maps, but just the forecasting season is broken up into 2 sections. Check us out, grasscast.unl.edu, or type GrassCast into your search engine. You'll find us right away. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for your time.